Good morning, beta. Today we are going to discuss the quiz of chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 we were doing from the book. So remaining things we will discuss tomorrow. Let me discuss the quiz first to check your thorough knowledge of this chapter. 4.7 multiplied by 1000. Yes, Jalash. Drishti.
Ma'am, 4700.
4700. Okay. Next. Yes, Arpita. 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 of 1 by 7. 1 by 4 of 1 by 7. How will you represent this? 1 by 4 of 1 by 7. How will you represent it? By addition, by subtraction, by multiplication, or by division? Of means multiply. Yes, Samriddhi. What will be the option?
Ma'am, C option. 1 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 7.
Okay, C option. Okay. Next is 0.5 multiply by 0.5. लिखो 0.5 multiply by 0.5 minus 0.4 multiply by 0.4. 0.5 multiply by 0.5 minus 0.4 into 0.4. What will be the answer? Yes, everybody solve this. According to BORDMAS, firstly you will multiply these two terms, then 0.4 into 0.4, then you will subtract their answer.
Ma'am, 0.09.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Not audible. Why? Wait.
Ma'am, you are audible.
Beta, I think there is network issue from your side. Akshita, Arpita, Garvit.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is this? Akshita? Yes, answer this question.
Ma'am, 0.09.
0.09. When you multiply 0.5 into 0.5, it will give you 0.25. And 0.4 into 0.4 is 0.16. When you subtract it, it will give you 0.09. What is the product of 0.02 into 0.9? 0.02 and 0.9. What is the product of these two terms? 0.02 into 0.9. Jasleen, Manraj, Mitul, Himanshi.
0.018.
0.018. Okay. The product of 4 by 5 and its reciprocal. The product of 4 by 5 and its reciprocal. What is the another name of reciprocal? Multiplicative inverse. The another name of reciprocal is multiplicative inverse. So what is the reciprocal of 4 by 5? Yes, Arpita.
Yes, ma'am. मैम आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही.
Wait. Check it now.
मैम आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही. मैम 5th क्वेश्चन का आंसर डी ऑप्शन है. मैम आपकी आवाज पहले क्लियर आ रही थी, अब बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रही.
Wait.
मैम, आपकी आवाज क्लियर है.
So the product of 4 by 5 and its reciprocal is 1. The product of 4 by 5 and its reciprocal is 1. Okay. What is 1 called? Additive identity ki multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity. लिख लो 1 is the multiplicative identity and 0 is the additive identity. 1 is the multiplicative identity and 0 is the additive identity. Done. Next is your statement sum. So write it first. Joe bought, Joe, J-O-E, Joe bought 7 liters of juice. He poured the juice, means he put the juice equally into 5 bottles. Joe bought 7 liters of juice. He put the juice into 5 bottles equally. There are 0.25 liters of orange juice left. 0.25 liter of orange juice left. What was the volume of juice in 1 bottle? सेवन लीटर जूस है, उसको 5 से डिवाइड करना है. 0.25 लीटर बच गया. एक मिनट, अब क्या करेंगे पता है, ये 7 लीटर जूस था जिसमें से 0.25 is still there in the bottle left. पहले से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. 7 में से 0.25 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे क्या आएगा? 7 में से 0.25 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, व्हाट यू विल गेट? 6.75. अब ये जो 6.75 है ना, इसको आपने 5 बॉटल्स में डाल दिया, इसको 5 से डिवाइड कर दो. दैट विल गिव यू द क्वांटिटी ऑफ जूस इन 1 बॉटल. इज इट ओके? Actually, we have total 7 liter of juice. This much is remaining 0.25. So if you subtract 0.25 from 7, that means that quantity has been equally divided into 5 bottles. So the remaining juice is 6.75. You will divide it with 5. That will give you the quantity in 1 bottle. Is there any Samrat? S-A-M-R-A-T. Samrat. Divide 6.75 with 5. Answer is 1 point. Yes, answer is 1.35. Have you done? Check your answer. Do it. Do the next question. When you divide 0.6 with 0.3, answer is 2. 2 आ रहा है first part का answer. And the second answer is 0.4, इसको डिवाइड करके आएगा 2 और सेकंड वाले को डिवाइड करके आएगा 0.4. इज इट सो? आंसर इज 2.4 ऑप्शन में नहीं दिया हुआ. बच्चे, व्हाट विल बी द आंसर ऑफ दिस? टू 2.4 आंसर आएगा, बट इट्स नॉट गिवन इन द ऑप्शन. ठीक है, तो योर आंसर इज 2.4. यस दृष्टि,
यस मैम.
आंसर?
मैम 2.4 आ रहा है.
Yes, answer is 2.4, but it's not given in the option. So I have to put some answer. So otherwise I'm unable to move on the next question. What is the product of two fraction? कोई भी दो fractions हैं, उनका product किसके equal होगा? Product of their denominator upon product of their numerator, product of their numerator upon product of their denominator, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय प्रोडक्ट ऑफ न्यूमिनेटर, या प्रोडक्ट ऑफ न्यूमिनेटर इनटू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. 4 ऑप्शंस हैं. आप बताओ, दो नंबर है, 1/2 इंटू 1/3 करना है, तो न्यूमिनेटर को न्यूमिनेटर के साथ डिनोमिनेटर को, तो आंसर होगा प्रोडक्ट ऑफ न्यूमिनेटर अपॉन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. द सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. 1/5 divided by 4/5. 1/5 divided by 4/5. 1/5 divided by 4/5. Yes, answer is Anmol. मनराज, हिमांशी,
मैम 1/4.
yes, answer is 1/4. Okay, next. There are 25 students in a class. एक मिनट. -5/6 plus bracket -1/6. -5/6 plus inside the bracket -1/6. Add them and get the answer. Answer is, who will tell me answer? Vaibhav.
मैम -1.
Answer is -1. Can you tell me the definition of rational number? Yes, anyone? Definition of rational number. Tarun, Tanya, Vaibhav. Definition of this rational number. P by Q is a rational number if denominator Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q are integers. 0 multiplied by 1 by 4. What is the answer of 0 multiplied by 1 by 4?
0.
Answer is 0. When you multiply any number with 0, answer is 0. If you add 0 to any number, then what will be the answer? Same number.
1
Like,
by 4.
yes, if you add 0 to 1 by 4, answer is 1 by 4. If you divide 0 with 1 by 4, if you divide,
Not defined.
no beta, 0 is divisible by all the number, so answer will be 0. But if 1 by 4 is divided by 0, then answer is not defined. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
0 divided by 1 by 4 is 0, but 1 by 4 divided by 0 is not defined. Got it? लिख लो 0 divided by 2 is 0. 0, write down. 0 divided by 2 is 0. Next is 2 divided by 0 is not defined. 2 divided by 0 is not defined. Find the multiplicative inverse of minus 9 by 13. Find the multiplicative inverse of minus 9 by 13. बोलो क्या होगा? नौनिहाल. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. Minus 9 by 13. What will be its reciprocal? 13 over minus 9. You can put minus in the numerator as well. Minus 13 upon 9 is also correct. What is the additive inverse of minus 9 by 13? 9 by 13. What is the another name for additive inverse? आपने माइनस का नंबर था उसका पॉजिटिव कर दिया. माइनस का है तो पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव. इसका मतलब आप किसी भी नंबर का क्या कर रहे हो? नेगेटिव. लिख लो अनदर नेम फॉर एडिटिव इनवर्स इज नेगेटिव. Another name for additive inverse is negative. Another name of additive inverse is negative of the number. और multiplicative inverse का another name क्या है? Reciprocal. Inverse भी कह सकते हो. Inverse is also correct. Multiplicative inverse can also be called inverse. A rational number can be expressed in the form of P by
Ma'am,
Q.
A option.
Which one?
A option.
A option. P by Q, where Q should not be 0. Write down the rational number minus 3 by 4. The rational number minus 3 by 4 lies to the dash of 0. The rational number minus 3 by 4 lies to the dash of 0. Left of 0. Negative है ना, तो negative number always written on the left of 0 and positive on the right of 0. So answer is left of 0. Out of, next is statement sum. Out of 720 people, 450 of them voted. Voted means they have given vote. What is the percentage of people who vote? What is the percentage of people who vote? How you will solve it?
2.5%.
450 upon 720 multiplied by 100. 450 upon 720 multiplied by 100. Convert it into percentage.
62.5%.
Wait, let others solve. Yes, what's the answer of this? How many of the people voted? 450 upon 720 into 100. Yes, answer is
62.5%.
okay. Is it correct? Do the next question. (62.5%). Which of them is positive? If you haven't solved the previous one, then solve it first, then proceed to the next question. Yes, Samriddhi, Tanya.
Ma'am, -4 divided by -5.
Okay. Answer is -4 divided by -5. Prabnoor. Is it okay? Out of these four, which one is positive rational number? -4 by -5, because minus will cancel out and rest of the three are negative. Yes, Satvik, what is the additive inverse of 5 by 8? 5 by 8. What is the another name of additive inverse? Negative. Negative of a number. Okay. What is 3 raised to power 0?
1.
Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Write down 5 raised to power -2, -2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1. Which has highest value? 5 raised to power -2, -2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1. Which has highest value? Yes. Garvit. Harman. Yes. Anyone?
मैम 5 -2 की ज्यादा वैल्यू है.
No, beta. 5 raised to power -2 is negative. तो इसका 5 raised to power -2 का आंसर क्या आएगा? 1/5 raised to power 2. नेगेटिव है ना, नेगेटिव को डिनोमिनेटर में शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. 1/5 raised to power 2 1/25 बन जाएगा. Whenever you have negative power, shift the base in the denominator. 5 will become 1/5 and the power will be 2. Answer is 1/25. Next is 1 and next is 2 raised to power 1. So according to me, the greatest value is 2 raised to power 1. 1/25 तो बहुत लीस्ट नंबर है, 1 का 25th पार्ट. ठीक है, तो आंसर इज 2 raised to power 1. 6 रेज टू पावर -2 किसके इक्वल होगा? 6 रेज टू पावर -2 अभी बताया आपको कैसे करते हैं. मेक द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द बेस. 6 रेज टू पावर -2 है. मेक द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द बेस 1/6 रेज टू पावर 2. क्या बन जाएगा? इधर आंसर है 6. 1/, आंसर्स देखो कैसे हैं. 1/6 रेज टू पावर -2, 1/6 रेज टू पावर 2. कौन सा करेक्ट है? थर्ड. सेकंड भी करेक्ट है. 1 का स्क्वायर 1 ही तो होता है. तो आप लास्ट वैसे करोगे. ठीक है. 4 रेज टू पावर -2 सिंप्लीफाई करके बोलो क्या आएगा. 4 रेज टू पावर -2. टेल मी द आंसर आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन. 4 रेज टू पावर -2. It will be 1/4 raised to power 2. Raised to power 2 means 1/4 multiplied by 1/4. 1/16. 3 square into 3 cube. 3 square multiplied by 3 cube. Answer is yes. Riddhima.
3 raised to power 5.
3 raised to power 5. Yes, Prabnoor. Himanshi. Answer is 3 raised to power 5. 7 raised to power 12 divided by 7 raised to power 3. 7 raised to power 12 divided by 7 raised to power 3. Yes. 7 raised to power.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Answer is
7 raised to power 9.
okay.
Ma'am, 7 raised to power 9.
Okay. 3 raised to power 2 whole raised to power 8. 3 raised to power 2 whole raised to power 8. Power will be multiplied. 2 8s are 16. 3 raised to power 16. Solve next. 8 raised to power 3. 8 raised to power 3 divided by 4 raised to power 2. 8 raised to power 3 divided by 4 raised to power 2. Solve this. You can solve it separately or you can change the base as well. इसको ओपन कर दो 3 times, इसे 2 times कटिंग कर दो. 8 क्यूब है ना, 8 can be written 3 times upon 4 into 4. कटिंग कर दो.